Thank you for your interest with us here at Sanderson James. We would like to give you an introductory video highlighting our lettings procedure and process for your understanding. Ensuring that you get the best deal for your property is one of our main goals. Our expert team constantly analyzes the current market trends of properties with similar aspects to your own and determine the best price for your property. Correct marketing is essential to your property being let out. We have professional photographers to take stunning pictures of your property and post them on our property listing portals. We also actively reach out to tenants on our mailing list who look for properties that match your criteria. Finding the correct tenants means you can be rest assured that your property is well taken care of and your rent is guaranteed to come in on time. Even after finding a good applicant, they go through our in-depth referencing process to ensure that they meet our affordability requirements and are an honest applicant. For those of you that would like added security, we also offer a rent guarantee insurance for your peace of mind. All of our tenancy agreements are professionally drafted and meet all legal compliance requirements. We ensure that all deposits are securely protected in a government-approved scheme to protect both yourself as the landlord and the tenants. Additionally, all pre-tenancy documents are served to the tenants, such as your safety certificates and how to rent guides. We ensure that a detailed inventory and inspection report is conducted prior to the tenant moving in, and where necessary, professional cleaning services can be performed prior to the tenant moving in. We ensure that all relevant meter readings are taken to ensure that nobody is overcharged for their utility bill costs. Rent collection is vital to any successful property investment. If you can't get your money, then what is the point? We help setting up and manage standing orders for monthly rental collection with a professional team of rent chasers to ensure that rent is not missed. In the rare instances where the tenant remains in rental arrears, our in-house legal advisors will assess your case and provide you with the best possible course of action. Whilst for our let-only clients, you may think that everything is settled once the tenant moves in. However, for our fully managed clients, that is only the beginning. We conduct frequent mid-term inspections and help to coordinate repairs and maintenance to ensure that your property is well taken care of and maintained. Assuming everything works well between you and your tenant and you are happy to renew their tenancy agreement, we will help you to conduct a rent review to ensure that your property is always valued competitively. We handle all the negotiating and signing of the tenancy agreements, so you just have to say yes or no. If the tenancy should come to an end, we will liaise with the tenants regarding their key return. Once done, we will help you arrange a checkout inspection and compare everything against the initial move-in inspection. We will help to arrange for any deposit claims, where applicable, and help to oversee and arrange any necessary repairs or cleaning to re-let your property. As mentioned previously, our in-house legal advisors can help provide you with relevant legal advice for all scenarios. Additionally, we keep you informed about changes in legislation and help you to stay compliant with legal requirements, such as with property licensing. Our services can't match you? Don't worry, we have tailored servicing options to find a plan that works best for you. Lastly, we have dedicated account managers to provide consistent support for you with access to an online landlord portal for real-time updates on your property.